These soft, eggless marmalade cookies always bring me back home. Not to a kitchen, to a feeling that never left. I remember a slow afternoon, the kind where time feels generous and nothing asks too much of you. I wasn't trying to make something perfect. I was looking for comfort. The kind that feels familiar. The kind that listens. The kitchen felt like a pause, like the world stepped outside for a moment and left me alone with my thoughts. These cookies were never just cookies. They were small reminders that slowing down is allowed, that softness is enough. I loved the quiet before waiting. When hope feels warm and time feels kind. Every filled cookie holds a memory. This one holds mine. This is Sweetback Stories.